Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in second gear. So here we go. This is a race to the half mile. The starter is going to start us.
2, 1.
Blimey. It's wheeling, that's crazy. The panic guard is going now. I can't see anything. This is so close. Happened between those bikes? Let's go find out. So, Bob, I mean, that looked pretty spectacular. You're ahead.
I know. And then I thought I had it in the bag, so I started pulling a wheelie, and then that was it. You were past. I was like,
were you pulling the wheelie for fun?
Well, I thought I had it in the bag a little bit, yeah. And it's also quite hard to keep the front down. I was really leaning forward and foot on the jam, back on the brake, and yeah. But this thing's great, so fast.
Yeah, did you expect me to come past?
No, once I had a bit of a jump on you and I thought, oh, I won't see him again. And then you were gone. I was like,
oh my God, he's wheeling. And I don't know what speed that was at. That was like 100, what, 50?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this doesn't have a speedo, so I wouldn't know. But it was good fun.
You're definitely a braver man than me. But you didn't win. It was close though. You beat that, didn't you?
Yeah, nearly. Well, he come by as well, and I thought...
Yeah, he did. I don't know what was going on, but then this came past again.
I had the initial jump and then it started to wheelie and then you come by and he nearly come by as well.
Do you reckon if you hadn't wheelied you'd have won?
I reckon we should have 2 goes.
So what happened, Ollie?
I thought I was much better at that one. I pulled off. I thought I just about had him to start and you, but then towards probably halfway down you started pulling on me, which was horsepower, but yeah, much better.
I thought you were ahead of him.
I thought I was ahead. And then as we got towards the end, you just started pulling on me both. I don't know if I was quite like fully committed or not, but it felt, I was doing 170 at one point, so I was like, that's enough commitment.
Yeah, and I was getting on for 200, so yeah, it is what it is. I mean, bikes normally straight line like that, rolling on battered cars, but this is not just any car. It's like the world's fastest production car.
I mean, you've brought a gun to a knife fight, mate, so.
Ale čini se da Nevera ipak bježi ispreda. Ale čini se da Nevera ipak bježi ispreda.